One of the most fundamental things to understand when working with building automation systems is how to wire and configure the hardware. The KMC Conquest BAC-9300 series BACnet Unitary Controller is an excellent solution for rooftop units, heat pumps, fan coil units, air handling units, and unit ventilators. Our unitary controller ships from the factory pre-programmed for these applications but can be easily customized to meet your specific needs. Wiring a BAC-9300 series controller can be different than wiring controllers from other manufacturers, so let's walk through the process. We cover wiring the network and inputs in another video, so let's look over the outputs, room sensors, and power. Let's begin with the outputs. Looking at the outputs on the top of the unit, we see BO standing for binary output, UO for universal output, SC for switched common, and G and D for ground. The first 6 outputs are binary outputs, and the last 4 are universal. Let's start with wiring a universal output. You will have 2 wires, the signal wire and the common wire. The signal wire goes from the UO output terminal to the device appropriate for its application. The common wire will return to the adjacent ground terminal. When using universal outputs, your signal type will either be 0 to 12 volts for binary signals, or a range from 0 to 10 volts for analog. Unlike universal outputs, the binary outputs have an internal triac configuration requiring the switch common port to be supplied with 24 volts from your transformer. Your signal wire goes from the BO terminal to the device appropriate for its application. The common wire can then be grounded to the common terminal of the same transformer, supplying the power. If you'll be using one with your controller, another simple item to wire is the room sensor. Each controller in the BAC-9300 series has a yellow room sensor Ethernet port on the top of the controller. This port can be used to connect and add power to a KMC room sensor. Since this port is supplying power exclusively for the room sensor, please make sure you do not plug in a network connected cable. Doing so could cause damage to other hardware on the network. Also, keep in mind that the Ethernet patch cable used for the room sensor can be a maximum of 150 feet long. The last step in wiring a BAC-9300 series controller is to connect the power. When connecting power, it is recommended that you use 12 to 24 gauge copper wire. Connect a 24 volt class 2 transformer to the black terminal block of the controller. The transformer should be dedicated to this controller. When wiring, note the polarity of the controller's terminals. The common terminal is represented by a T-shaped and the phase terminal is shown by a wavy line. This can be important. If wired incorrectly, the controller could be damaged and need replaced. When powered correctly, a green light will turn on and begin flashing. And that's how you wire the outputs, room sensors, and power for a KMC Conquest BAC-9300 series controller. To learn more about wiring similar products and exploring the other solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, please visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.